Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today's demo, I will show you that how to use merge data table activities. So before that, I will show you the Excel sheet. So this is my Excel sheet. You can see here we have two sheets here, like sheet 1 and sheet 2. In sheet 1, we have a data Jan to April, and this is my header, month and sale. And if you'll go to the sheet 2, then we have a data May to August, and this is my header, month and sale. So both the header are same, like month and sale. And sheet 2, if you'll go, we have a both the header, month and sales. So we will use merge data table activity, and we will merge both of the data, and we will create another sheet, and we will paste it both the data in another sheet. So let's go to the UI path. So first of all, I will drag sequence here, and I will rename it, and I will rename it like merge data table. After that, we will use Excel application scope in order to capture the Excel file. So here we have, in this data folder, we have a data XLSX. So this is my file. So I will select this file, and this is the complete path of that Excel file. Then we will use read range activity. Read range. So here we have a read range activities. So we will use it, and two times we have to use it, right? Because we have a two different sheet, sheet 1 and sheet 2. So first of all, we will create variable because we have a first sheet, that is sheet 1. So we are capturing the data from the sheet 1. So this is my read range. So I will create one data table variable, that is my dt1. It means this variable has been created for the sheet 1. Then I will click on the second read range activity. So first of all, I will change the name. So I will type here sheet 2 because we have a two sheet, sheet 1 and sheet 2. I will create another variable for that. I will go to the data table in properties panel. Here you will see that data table. So in this text box, you can just not text box, yes, text, you can say text box. You can press Control K, and then I'm just going to say like dt2. And if you will go to the variable panel, then you can see here my two variable has been created, and the variable type is data table, right? System.data table. So I have not done anything, but I have just created it using Control K. Automatically the variable type automatically just selected here like data table. So now we have, using read range activity, we have just captured the sheet 1 and sheet 2 data. Now we will use merge data table activity. Merge data table activity. Just drag it here like this. Then if you'll go to the properties panel, then you will see here multiple options like destination, missing schema action, and source. So in source part, what I will write here, so it is asking from the data table. If you will see here like this, if you will just hover your mouse over here, the data type object to which the source data table is merged. It means, and the data table object to be added to the destination. Right, so I will type here dt1, and in source I will type dt2. So once this merge data table activity will be initialized, then dt2 means sheet 2 data uh, automatically added to the dt1 in destination path, right? dt2 will automatically merge to dt1. It means whatever the data we have sheet 1 and sheet 2 automatically will be captured in the dt1 in this particular variable. So what we want to do right now, we have to see the output of both of the range, right? So I will write here in activity panel, write range activity, and I will drag it like this. So we have a sheet 1 and sheet 2, but we do not want to do not want to paste the data in the uh, sheet 1. So I will change the name of the sheet. I will rename it like output. So in merge data table, we sheet 1 and sheet 2 data will automatically will be captured in the dt1 in this particular variable. So I will type here dt1, right? So we do not have output sheet over here, but do not worry about it because automatically this right range activity will create another sheet output, right? And it will just paste whatever the data we will have in dt1, so it will automatically paste it in cell a1. And I'm going to save this project and I will run this file. Okay, it has been executed. So you can see here that output sheet automatically has been created, and in sheet 1 we have the data January, February, March, April, and sheet 2 we have a data May to August. So you can see in this output sheet we have the data Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July and August, right? But one issue we have, because we do not have header over here, right? So I'm going to delete this file and I will save this Excel file. And if you want to add the header, so in right range activity, just check on this add header options, right? Just check it. By default it is unchecked, but if it is unchecked, just check it on this box, right? So I will run this project again, and now I will go to this Excel file. You can see that month and sale, this header has been added here, right? So let's just change the header. So I'm going to just delete it. So I want to show you another example. Like in this scenario, we have similar headers in sheet 1 and sheet 2, but I want to change the header name. So let it be month and sales target. I'm just changing one column. Header sales target. In sheet 1, I have changed the header name. So now you will see here in sheet 1 we have a header month and sales target, and sheet 2 we have a headers like month and sales. So it means we have different headers. Sheet 1 month is matching with the sheet 2, but sales target header is not matching with sales, right? We have a different headers, right? So in this scenario I will run this project again. So now you can see that this once this merge data table has been executed, so it has added three different headers. But in our source file, if you will see here that we have only two headers here, month and sales. My headers is included in A and B column only, in sheet A or B column. But when it has created a output file, so now we have a three had different headers. So it has been, because we have three different headers, just because of that it has created three different headers. So we face such issues in merge data table activities, but we can just sort it out using VBS activity and VBA activity. But in this way merge data table activity work basically. If you have a same header, then it will paste the data beneath of that header, but if you have a different header, then it will create another header for that and it will paste data beneath of that data, right? So you can just see that how it works, how the merge data table add activities work. So I hope you would like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.